What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. This like light and this stand, this is used for makeup, but I'm gonna use it for a stand for my phone. Light if it's dark. So yeah, let's unbox it. God, this is taking a long time. Guys, go subscribe to MyMayRay13 and Oliver Plays. Maya wants to have 20 subscribers, and I really want to help her with that. She's my cousin. And yeah. Oh, got it. Okay. Hey, open it. More tape. Someone is gonna rip the box. Oh yes, I got the sticker off. This one is supposed to come off. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, this is. Oh my God, so hard to assemble. Got cord, and unbox everything. There's the light. Oh yeah, there's a light. Yeah. How do you even get this off? I'm gonna rip it off. Perfect. Okay. Guys, go subscribe to the channel right now. My channel. Okay. This is it. Like this goes on your wall, like on your desk, like this or something, and it just goes like that. And it don't actually have a cord anywhere. The closest cord won't reach. But let's use the one from my TV. Yes, it will work. Gonna have to move the camera of all the garbage. I'm gonna have this closer. Hey, it's on. 3. It's supposed to come on. It's not in fully, probably. It's not working. Wonder what I should do. Just wait 1 second, guys. I'm back, guys, with a block. We're gonna move the camera. We're gonna go over there, and there's a block there, and I'm gonna do it. Let's go. We're going. Let's see if it will work or not. I'm gonna put this right here. I'll make it go along. This. Oh yes, it's on. Yes, it's on. Oh my God, that's bright. I'm gonna actually keep using this for now. Now for the second thing. I've been wanting to get to this. And the phone thing, supposed to be another piece to it. Oh, that's it. This is the piece. That was the marble thingy for. Oh no, the phone. So this ball thing goes in here. Then you twist it. Then you put your phone on it. Oh, that's actually. I got like a selfie stick. You know the selfie stick I use? It's just like so hard to pull. Easy. So, just actually gonna use this. Don't know where to put it, but where am I gonna put this? Just like right on the side for now. Just for light. Okay. The second thing, Extreme Lit. It's called the Extreme Lit. Looks pretty cool. Again, the stickers. Or tape. I call them stickers, but whatever you want to call them. Got this at Dollarama for like $5. Not sponsored by Dollarama. Oh, we're in bubble wrap. And that controller feels like an ASMR. Oh, construction, no. I don't want to crush that up. Bubble wrap. You know, I have an idea. So, this. Again. Oh my god, how many blocks will I need? 5,000. Okay, where am I gonna get this time? I think I have an idea. There's definitely a block over here. Yes, found one. I knew it. So. Says it's sound reactive. Oh, that's nice. This is a total scam. Looks like this. It's only like this. Can you move it? It's not a scam. It's actually nice, but let me guess. This needs batteries. Actually not. Oh. Smooth flash. Oh, that's actually nice. These look. Oh, I must have to connect it to my phone. And this is it. Like, I thought it was gonna be like a stand like this, because it says right on the box. Okay. Oh, yes. It's now like this, the way I want it. Because when I say LEDs, I actually have LEDs I'm going to set up in another video. If you guys want to see that, like and subscribe. That's nice. Changing all the colors. I like red, so we're going to keep the red. Then we're going to... Hey, that's orange. Oh, red. Perfect. We're going to put the light on the red. And it's actually a nice light. I don't know where to use it, though. Maybe for Pokemon videos, if I open in Pokemon cards. Put it on my desk. Now connect it, and like that. Perfect. And yeah, guys, I'll totally get this for like $5 each at Dollarama. Thought it was a scam. I said it was a scam because this was on the other side, like this. I wanted it like this. Thought it was false advertisement, but come on. But at least I didn't get scammed. And guys, I recommend getting this. Actually, you can play music on it too. Dropping stuff. Put my foot on that. I actually recommend getting this. 16 colors. Dinosaur. There's Jerry. Jerry the dinosaur. Is that a unicorn? Don't know. Okay, guys. See ya later.